Hello students, welcome back to our video tutorials on AutoCAD, exploring AutoCAD software for drafting and design. We are now at content number 15, hands-on XP exercises 2D drawings. As part of this hands-on exercises 2D, we have previously completed exercises, 3 exercises up to creating some shape. Hope you remember this. This is the last one which we have complex shape created. Proceeding to the next exercise number 4. Here we are supposed to create simple profiles and simple geometrical construction shapes in AutoCAD by using line command. See, as usual, we'll proceed to the software. I'm opening the last recent documents, same .dwg. If you want, you can use .dwt of the last your saved roll number and open it. I'm opening the same last dwg file. Oops, I'm sorry. See exercise number 4, to create a pentagon of 50 mm as shown in figure. Pentagon, 5 sides. See coordinate system. Previously we have seen 2 coordinates, absolute coordinate and relative coordinate. Now here relative polar coordinate means pentagon is having some angles. With respect to angles also you can create your drawings in AutoCAD. How to go to these settings? See, as I said, this is the already open area. Zoom all. Going to here, right click, snap settings, dynamic input. Under drafting settings, dynamic input, settings button. See polar, relative coordinates, absolute coordinates is there. See, we are supposed to use relative polar coordinate system. Polar coordinate system, as you can see, uh, polar coordinate, it is polar format itself. Relative polar format. So relative polar coordinates, actually it is there. So we'll keep OK. Previous exercises we have done with relative coordinates, by default it will be in absolute coordinates. Relative polar coordinates, OK. Now start with command line. Line is nothing but L, enter. Specify starting point. As per manual we are starting at 50, comma, press comma in the keyboard, 50, enter. Now you can observe your drawing will be start from origin at a distance of 50, 50. Now we have to proceed to the right, incline, right. See, first relative coordinate, as I said, we are going to at the rate, right. Specify next point at the rate of 50, tab less than 0 degrees. We are using tab here, not comma, remember, right. uh, uh, at the rate in the keyboard, 50, tab less than, see, when I press tab less than, at what degrees is nothing but 0 degrees. So you can see straight line. Now second, this line, see, 50 at the rate 50, tab less than 72 degrees. You know, sum of the angles of the pentagon divided by 5 will give each angle of 72 degrees. So same at the rate from this point in the keyboard. How to press at the rate means shift at the rate 50, tab 53 degrees is there. I'm converting it to 72. See, next 50, tab less than 144. With respect to this one we are calculating, shift tab 50 at the rate 144. After 144 degrees plus 72 it gives 216 degrees. At the rate 50, tab, what is the angle? 216, right. 50, tab at the rate 2288. You can use close button or same command proceedings. Shift at the rate 50, tab, angle 288. Next again press enter. See, this is the new pentagon which we have constructed with the help of relative polar coordinate system. Other things are as usual, dimension text, what you have done earlier. Dimension, what is the dimension? Dim. Here 20 mm distance, shift the to dimension layer. Command dimension dim, specify first extension line, first end point of the pentagon base side, second point end point. What distance you have to go is 20, enter. Now escape. Select this, changing layer into dimension. Escape. That is dim. Now next is text. Text, what we are supposed to write it into pentagon. Same text command, enter. Wait to write, specify that point. At what angle? So specify height 8, enter. At what angle? 0, default, enter. Now you can see something blinking. You can write here what? Capital letters, pentagon, double enter. Right? Now what we are supposed to do, we have to take them into one line. So how to do that? Previously we have did that in the exercise, last exercise also. For this complex shape, move command. How to use move command is nothing but, right, type move command, enter, select objects, come to the right side, left click once. Now you can move your mouse so that a selecting window can be moved towards upside. All are selected. You can see here 7 found. Then press enter. It will ask specify base point. Base point means at the bottom of your name we are selecting with somewhere approximate point. Select with left mouse button. Now you can see it's totally all are selected, and I'm keeping approximately next to that complex shape. See, I'm sorry, here previously we finished. This pentagon has to move to its text layer. You can see this square, complex shape, pentagon, all are in one line. That simple exercise. Next, continuation with simple exercise again of creating geometrical shape, circle. Exercise number 5. To create a circle of 100 mm diameter. Relative polar coordinate, same here. We are at the same relative polar coordinate for the previous exercise also. Now this exercise, how to create a circle of 100 mm diameter. Simple circle, directly we have command with C, but inside there are many input param options we have, which to select on which basis. 100 mm diameter. Command circle CIR CLE. If you just type CIR, it will hint us circle, enter. So what it is asking, you see here, specify center point of the circle. The command specify center point of the circle, 100 comma 100, distance from XY, 100 comma 100. Now this is the center. Now you can see its circle at whatever may be the radius, you can do it. Circle is asking specify radius of the circle or diameter. What your radius? Radius, what is this? Diameter is 100 mm, radius is 50. So 50, type it, enter it. Simple. We got circle drawn. Same dimension, text move. Dimension, what should we have to show the dimension? Circumference of the circle, whatever the outside, what's called circumference, the diameter of the circle comes out of the circle with the help of mouse. What we are supposed to show in the dimension is specify first extension line origin. Select any point on the circumference of the circle with the help of mouse. Specify diameter location. Specify any point outside the circle such that diameter number comes out of the circle with the help of mouse. See here how to show the circle dimension. See, same again I am showing dimension dim. See, on this circumference of the circle I can select anything. So I'm supposed to show diameter. So I'm selecting right side horizontal, right, and once it is clicked with the left button, you can see you can take it to anywhere outside the region of the circle, right? I'm coming here just at some angle, and I have left clicked it and I entered, right? Escape. You can see here diameter 100. That's what here dimension commands. Next, text is simple, nothing but circle, text, text, enter, specifies starting point of the circle. Below that we are supposed to write here somewhere height 8 we have chosen, angle 0. Now CAR double click, enter, double enter. Now circle has to move towards its text layer, dimension has to move towards its dimension layer. See, all we have done your exercise, but we have to keep them all in one line. So how to select? Again, come move command, type move command, enter. You can see left, right side, bottom corner, click on one side, select the entire things, press, you can see 3 found, enter, specify base point. So I am selecting somewhere here. Once it is selected with the help of mouse, it entirely completes to move, but I'm keeping somewhere here, all in one line. Now here I have given some instruction to check out in layout 1. For that they are totally in one display. Sir, how to check that? I have shown you. Come to here, press on layout 1. See, you can see, double click inside, zoom all, double click outside. You can see all are the drawing key set. But how can you say that there are lines, horizontal lines, vertical lines? What are those horizontal lines, vertical lines? They are grids. You know how to off grid and right. Go to model space. You can see here snap mode, grid mode. Alright, F7. Right. If I keep this off, you can see AutoCAD in without lines. So now if you go to layout now, you can see your drawings all in a white paper. It's something like drawing sheet. Hope you all clear how to check your in model paper. Now next exercise number 6, to create a rectangle. Directly we can draw a rectangle without line. Previously what are the exercises? First one, second one, third one, we all done with the help of line command. Right? Pentagon we can create with the help of pentagon command, but still we have used line command. Circle, directly circle command. Here rectangle with the help of rectangle command. You see rectangle 0 0 first corner, specify other corner 594 420, right, which is size of A2 size. Simple. See this, REC rectangle, right, enter. You can see here it will ask specify first corner 0 comma 0, enter. Specify another corner. You can drag this and keep it with the help of your mouse where it required, but to have your A2 size 594 comma 420, 594 comma 420. See, this is your right. Now here I have given some small note. Check whether the created drawings are inside the created rectangle. So it's something like drawing size borderline. You are supposed to check whether all your drawings are inside. See, it's something outside here. You can just alter it by moving. You know how to select for move command. Move, enter, with mouse left, select all, enter button, select some point, just move it towards the left. Z enter, A enter, zoom all. Now you can see within the rectangle all are inside. Now here one more I am showing how to create a polygon of n number of sides. Polygons, you know, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, decagon, number of sides. So we'll use polygon command to create depending upon number of sides. In this exercise we will using polygon command. Number of sides we are 6, that is we are creating a hexagon. with respect to center, inscribed or circumscribed. You have constructed this at the starting of your engineering graphics one. Inside the circle hexagon, circumscribed outside the circle hexagon. You have to select one option. We have to give radius. Let's say dimension, text, and remaining thing are all are same. See, command, what is that? Polygon. Poly. Select that polygon, enter. Specify number of sides. See, number of sides 6. 6, enter. Specify center of polygon. Specify center of polygon. It's 100, comma 100, enter. It is asking enter an option inscribed or circumscribed. Inside I means you have to just click the keyboard I button, enter. It is inscribed. Specify radius of the circle. Radius of the circle, we are supposed to select the or give the input as 60. See, just type 60, enter. See, we have got different angle of this, but we are supposed to select angle like this. At the time of rotating, I have used my mouse to keep some angle, but we should not move our mouse. As usual, next text and dimension. Next, first of all, dimension. Specify first function. We have to just show what is the length. Side, each side. Dimension, enter. Select first point, second end point, distance 20, enter. Escape. Select this. Take to dimension layer. Next command you know very well, text. Text, enter. Specify starting point. Somewhere I am selecting here. Height 8, angle 0. What you are supposed to write here is hexagon, polygon, hexagon. See this here, polygon, hexagon. In the capital letters, polygon, hexagon. Double enter. Using move command towards something like center. Now what is this? This text is to be taken to text layer. Now you can, no need to move, it's cool in its position. Control S, zoom all. Right, see, up to now we have seen few more exercises in this video, up to 7. Here we have seen how to create geometrical shape like pentagon, circle, and hexagon with the help of line command, circle command, and polygon command. Right, we will continue further exercises in next video. Thank you.